Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the bioluminescent octopus and fish it. First, just hit straight to the crystal tab like this. This is the only locations where this octopus can be found. So make sure you are fishing in here. And then now, just keep in mind this is a legendary fish like this. So just use your best rod and always equip high quality bait to increase your chances. And once everything is ready, just start fishing in here and just be patient until you get the fish. And when you finally catch it, this is what the bioluminescent octopus looks like. Like this. Like this. Like this, it has a green blue color with soft glowing effect, and I think the designs it's so good. Okay, like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.